What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Thanos from Squid Game. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now, I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's go to the top left side of each eye. We're going to draw a smaller circle coming in for a highlight. Then line that up on the right side. And we want to fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Let's move to the center, step down at a curve, coming down and up for the bottom of the nose. And then we're going to move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now let's give our character an expression. So on the left side, we're going to lower the eyebrow, starting from the inside, we're going to go up and then out, go higher in the middle, and then bring that back down on the inside. And then from here, we're just going to fold up the brow, coming in and then up. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrow in black. Now over on the right side, I'm going to raise this eyebrow. We're going to start up here, we're going to go up and then down, go back to the inside, go higher in the middle, and then back down the outside. And then again, filling the eyebrow in black. Now from the nose, we're going to step down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to go up and then down, curve the mouth coming down and out towards the corners, and we'll close off the bottom with another curve. On either side, draw two straight lines coming down, and we'll fill the corners of the mouth in black. Now that we have the basic details of the face, let's move out and draw the lower half of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out, curve the head coming down, come in across the chin, and then bring that up on the right side. And then from here, we're just going to work our way up across the hairline. Let's start back on the left, go up, and then bend that in. Now we're going to bring some hair coming down. So we're going to come down the side, and bend that back up towards the top. Let's brush the hair over towards the left, coming across towards the eyebrow, back up toward the top. Let's add another point, coming down, go all the way across, and then up. Let's add one more point, going across towards the right side. Bring that up, and go out, and then down towards the right. Now we want to add the ears on the side of the head, so we'll start on the left. And go up, round up the ear, and then bring that back in, and line that up on the right side. Let's add a fold across the top, going up and then out. Go back to the inside, we're going to add a hook, going out and then back in. Now on the right ear, let's add that earring. We're going to come in, round this out, and go back out. Now we're going to work our way across the side of the head, starting on top of the ear. We're going to bend this out and then up. And we're going to brush the hair going up along the side, going out and back in. Let's add that point, coming down and in. We'll add a larger point, going up and then in towards the top. Now let's go back to left side. We're going to curve this around and then in towards the top of the head. Now in the middle, we're just going to brush this over towards the right. So we're going to go up and across, bring that down, add another point going out, and then back down, and we'll close this off with one more curve. Now with the head complete, I'm going to move down. We're going to stick a fork underneath the chin. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. On the left, we're going to come down and then bend that in. And want to leave a gap in the center, doing the same thing on the right. From the bottom, come down with two lines, and then we'll round out the bottom of the fork. Let's add the prongs, starting with two lines coming down the center. On the left, round this out and go straight back up. Now I want to add one more fork over on the left side. So we're going to do the same thing. Coming around and then in towards the handle. Draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the bottom. And then round out the bottom of the fork. Let's add the prongs with 2 lines. And go back in towards the head. Let's add some blood going across the fork. So we're going to start on the left side. Add a drip on the bottom. And we're also going to add some blood across the chin. So just splashing this in with this wave going around the mouth and then across. Now let's layer the body in behind. We're going to start on the left side, then the body going out and down towards the hip. Line that on the right. And close off the bottom with a curve. Now in the center, draw a straight line. From the center, move down, add a curve going up and then down. And then we'll leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to curve the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, bend this down and up. Go back to the left side and curve the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now going back up to the hips, we're going to bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to add a toe cap from the outside, then it's in and then down towards the sole. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left, just hanging down the side of the body. So we start halfway between the chin and the hip, bend the arm going out and then down. Now here we're going to add the thumb, coming in, round out the thumb, and then go back up. Let's add 3 fingers. We'll start with the first one, bending this down and in, round out the finger, and then bend that back up. Let's layer 2 more fingers in behind, starting from the bottom, going out and then up. Let's do that one more time, going all the way around the arm and then up underneath the head. Now I'm going to separate the cuff, starting from the thumb, going up and then out. We'll also want to separate the fingernails. So we're going to add a curve on the tip of each finger and then the thumb. Now over on the right side, we're going to have this arm holding another fork. So we're going to start up here, just going to line up the top of the arm, bend this down and then out towards the wrist. Go up towards the top of the thumb, bend this down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the fork handle, starting from the side of the thumb with a half oval. Add another oval going up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Now let's place the fork in behind the hand, starting from the bottom, draw 2 lines coming down, then we'll round out the handle. Let's go all the way up toward the top, draw 2 lines going up, round out the head of the fork, and go up towards the prong. Now we're going to add 3 prongs along the top. Come down, round this out, and go up in the middle, come down and up towards the right side. Let's go back to the wrist. We're going to curve the palm, coming down and then out in behind the handle, and bend the arm coming in and then up towards the side of the body. Now we're going to add a stripe going across the side of the arms. So we follow that curve going up, also along the outside. We also want to add a stripe going down the side of the legs. Now on either side of the chest, we're going to add those badges. Start with a straight line coming in, come down the inside, and then finish off that rectangle going out towards the side of the body. On the left side, let's add a circle, and trace that on the inside. Now over on the right side, we're going to add the number 230. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Thanos from Squid Game. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.